Sorry guys, I accidentally clicked on an ad. Which I wasn't trying to. Oops. Was I accident? But let's continue playing. Oops. Okay, I hope that music wasn't copyright. Got 1,000 coins. Post it. And collect my coins. But the next video, I was like, I want to spoil it for y'all guys. I don't want you guys to get mad at me. But it'll be a surprise. I go through that way. Wait, this I will do. If I die, it'll be one more round. Then we'll end it. And we'll wrap up the video. Okay, last round. Then we'll wrap it up for this video. In the last round. And now it's gonna continue. But oh, what else I got? Oh, Jake spray can. Oh, maybe I could get a skin. I just download this. Oh, it's ad. Oh, it's just. I want no copyright music. Oops. Oh, 3 daily gift. Oh, what is it? 800 coins. Ooh. Oh, I played this before. Then I deleted it, but then I decided to get it again. Going. You gotta buy this. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna get this. Dark Jake. Last round. Huh. Gotta get my bouncy boots. Oh, oops. Okay. Okay, okay, Laura, because I just did that. I just did that on purpose. Yeah, I just did that on purpose. Yeah, I won't do that again. I just did that on purpose. Oh, I was about to get the magnet. Oh, I went on top of here. Let me jump over this bush. Collected all my coins. Let me jump over this. Oh. Go watch out for the trains. What's a gift? How do you get the box? How do you get the box? Okay. Jake. Is that the letter? Okay. Now we'll wrap it up for this video when I find my prize. Let's see what I get. Okay. I'll get a prize. Let's see what it is. Well, I got 7 keys. Get 2. So we'll wrap it up. Oh, I got another one. Oh, a hoverboard. So we'll see you in the next video. So let's wrap it up. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.